How to add Robux to your Roblox account. Let's get started. First, if you have a Roblox gift card, here's how to redeem it. Launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website roblox.com/redeem. Once you're in this page, here you're gonna find this section of code. Type in the code that you wanna redeem. Once you type in, click on redeem. With that, the Robux will be added to your account. If you don't have a gift card and just want to buy Robux directly, it's too simple. Launch your Roblox app. Now click on the Robux icon given at the top right. From there, scroll through the available packages and select the amount of Robux you want to buy. For example, 400 or 800 Robux. Tap on your chosen amount and the purchase screen will appear. Complete the payment using your preferred method, and once the purchase is complete, the Robux will be automatically added to your account. And that's it. You have now successfully added Robux to your Roblox account, either by redeeming a card or purchasing directly. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.